Hi guys, Fred.Zent here, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 slightly used Genesis. It's a 25 FS model. You got your power tongue jack here. You got your dual propane tanks under here. This is a nice short toy hauler. You got your side-by-side couches or a dinette. Also folds into a bed. And then you got your queen size bed here. Got your microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and then your stove. Jesus. Corian countertops, dual stainless steel sink, a little storage above, and then you got more drawers. Here's all your tank levels, your generator on-off button, and then of course your 2-door freezer fridge combo. Got your little Furrion TV. Come on into this big bathroom. So you got your sink, a medicine cabinet, and then you have a large glass shower corner. Oh. Then you come into the bedroom. Got wardrobe storage on both sides of the bed. Storage above. Walk around queen size bed, and then you got 2 drawers on each side, and there are outlets on both sides of the bed. Let's go outside and look at the rest. So you got your 2 outside speakers, about a 16-foot power awning, upgraded wheels. Then you got your fill station here. How to turn everything on, gives you your settings for your fill. All your city water connections are here. Your flush. Outside showers right here. 4,000 watt Onan generator. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2018 Genesis 25 FS, please give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.